Let's run through some basic settings in your thermostat. Specifically today we have the Emerson non-programmable 80 series with 1 heat 1 cool option. This and other brands like it have the same or similar operation and parameters you can set. We will show you how to change Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa, set run limits and temperature limits, and lock the keypad to keep your wife and kids from adjusting the temp. Assuming it is attached to the wall, identify if there is a small screw holding the faceplate to the base plate, or more commonly it is snap-lock plastic tabs like this one. Ensure the batteries are changed regularly to avoid heat or cooling loss. If your thermostat is not set up correctly for your furnace type, it will not run correctly. Ensure you have the dip switch on either gas or electric depending on your furnace's fuel. This toggles the fan from on to auto. In on mode the fan will run 24/7. In auto, the fan will only run when the furnace requires it to, like in heat or cooling mode. This toggles the furnace between heat, off and cooling mode. Set it as is required. Single pressing the menu only gets you into minimal adjustments. To get into the installer settings, then press and hold the menu button for 8 seconds. Now you're into the advanced setup. CR30 will judge how often the heat will turn back on after the last run cycle. CR35 will do the same but for cooling. CL50 protects your AC compressor. We would suggest a minimum of a 5-minute delay here to prevent short cycling. Now this one is one all the dads will like. Set the maximum heat temperature that can be input. And then the same again for how low the cooling can be set. Then of course changing the temperate display. Here we can adjust if the backlight times out or if it stays on 24/7. This will run your batteries down faster if you leave it on. And finally locking the keypad so no one can adjust it. The thermostat connection corresponds to the furnace control board. Most thermostats and furnaces will have these basic options. RC, connect the cooling common wire. RH, connect the heating common wire. O/B is not as commonly used, but it is for heat pumps. Y is your other cooling wire. G is to control your fan. W is your other heating wire. C is your common wire. For simple heat operation, all you need is R or RH and W connected. You can put a jumper between RC and RH to avoid running more wires for cooling, then simply connect to Y. If you have the option of multiple wires or can add more, then hook up G so you can use the auto and on function. Without G you cannot control the fan to on mode from the thermostat. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.